Namaste, viewers. Welcome to ST Money's Morning News, your weekday business news channel. It is Tuesday morning, November 5, 2024, and I'm your host, Sunil Thakker, or Sunny Tucks Money. Let's roll. The stock market highlights from Monday, November 4, 2024. India's benchmark indices fell more than 1% on November 4, the steepest decline in more than a month as investors braced for this week's US presidential election and an interest rate decision from the US Federal Reserve. Local stocks witnessed heavy pressure during the first half of the trading session, with the NSE's benchmark Nifty index breaching the 23,900 psychological level. The indices witnessed some recovery during the second half but closed the day in the red. The BSE Sensex plunged 942 points or 1.18% to end the trading at 78,782, while the Nifty fell by 309 points or 1.27% to 23,995. The Nifty last fell 2.12% on 3rd of October and 1.41% on 30th of September 2024. Bears took the reins on the Dalal Street as 42 out of 50 constituent stocks of Nifty 50 ended in the red, dragged by Hero MotoCorp, Grasim Industries, Bajaj Auto, Adani Ports, and BPCL. Conversely, Mahindra & Mahindra, Tech Mahindra, Cipla, State Bank of India, and Doctors Reddy's Laboratories were among the 8 stocks that managed to end in the green. The fear index, India VIX, which measures the volatility in the market, ended higher by 5.01% at 16.70 points. Broader indices also ended in the red, with Nifty Mid Cap 100 and Nifty Small Cap 100 ending lower by 1.31% and 1.98%, respectively. All the sectoral indices ended in the red on Monday, with Nifty OMC's Realty and Media ending down by over 2%. They were followed by financials, FMCG, metal, private bank, and consumer durables, all ending down by over 1% each. Profit booking added to yesterday's market decline as investors turn cautious ahead of key risk events later this week. Investors are closely watching the results of the US presidential election on November 5 and the outcome of the upcoming Federal Reserve policy meeting on November 7. With Indian markets trading at high valuations, these headwinds worked at catalysts to trigger the ongoing correction. Investors lost 7.37 lakh crore rupees in wealth as equities plunged, with the total market capitalization of the BSE listed firms dropping to 4.41 lakh crore rupees amid a sharp market decline. In the US overnight, Wall Street ended slightly lower on back of the impending US presidential election. The Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 257 points to 41,794. The S&P 500 lost 0.28% to 5,712, and the Nasdaq Composite lost 59 points or 0.33% to 18,179. Brent crude is up at $75.29 a barrel. Gold is 78,660 rupees per 10 grams. Silver is 94,530 rupees per kilogram. Now for today's outlook for the Indian market. The breakdown of Nifty's recent consolidation range of 24,000 to 24,500 and a noticeable increase in the volatility index, that's India VIX, reflects growing pessimism among participants. From a technical point of view, the benchmark index has shown signs of consolidation breakdown, and a similar move in the follow-up session could be devastating in the short term. Simultaneously, the derivative and technical parameters are in extremely oversold territory, and some respite from sell-off could uplift the overall sentiments. However, caution is warranted in the current situation. It is also advisable to avoid unnecessary trade setups. On the level specific front, a series of stiff resistance could be seen around the 24,200 to 24,400 subzone, and a sustained breakthrough could only direct for potential reversal from the ongoing carnage. At the lower end of the spectrum, 23,900 to 23,800 withholds a pivotal support area, and a breakdown could drag the index lower towards 23,500 to 23,450, coinciding with the 200 simple moving average. In the meantime, the US election, which is due in a day, is likely to raise the volatility bar and needs to be tracked closely for intermediate trend analysis. Stocks on radar today: ABB India, Raymond, JK Paper, Gland Pharma, Tilak Nagar, Amar Raja Energy, IRCTC, Dhampur Bioorganics, KEC International, Bata India, Sundaram Finance, Embassy Office Parks, REIT, and Afcon's infrastructure will be in focus on October 5 today. I'll see you tomorrow morning. In the meantime, what do you think the markets are going to do today? Let us know in the comment section. Happy investing, stay inspired, and remember, it is all about money.